wanna be a famous man and have a money-making plan.
I wanna be a cool guy, not just another small fry. I wanna be a rapper. Man, what if we were rappers?
That would be the greatest thing ever. Let's do it together.
Okay.
M.A. to the T.O.
Nate Diggity.
Yeah. Yeah, we got new clothes and we got new shades. Driving down Stone Point, may not be an Escalade, but it's a black car, and I divorce the top, letting the whole world see me sipping from my pop. Yeah, we drink that cola, got it from Lola. She asked me if my phone was Motorola, so that's what I told her. It was T-Mobile, got it from a man with some really big shoulders. So yeah, now we got the highway on my 21 that leads to the driveway, to a whole lot of fun. And where we get it done, yes, we gon' get it done. We gon' get it done. Where we be happy, and we know that it is most definitely
Youth Camp. This is the most awesome place ever. We hope for good weather. Welcome to Youth Camp. Dan Jones is gonna say more fun than go on a golf cart run here at Youth Camp, Youth Camp, Youth Camp.
Now we're at youth camp, talking to our youth friends. All got older, some even got land. Saw my old pastor, his jokes get louder. Now he's talking crazy about his clam chowder. The pool's still freezing, and so is the ice cream. When I get a mouthful, my mouth starts screaming. Then I start scheming on how to start skipping all of the bathrooms and all of the cleaning. But now it's church time, and I gotta get ready for me and Jesus to start to go steady. And now watch me go be with he, so you know it's definitely
Youth Camp, the place where your dreams can all come true and God can inspire you. Right here at Youth Camp, when all we see is tornadoes, the only place you can go, staying at Youth Camp, Youth Camp, Youth Camp. One hand in the air for Brett Hughes, has an awesome goatee and cute shoes. No place in Ohio that can compare. Put your Bibles in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. Youth Camp. I hope this song made us famous, and now we're not nameless. All over Youth Camp. This song is stuck inside your head. Even when you go to bed, you'll be singing Youth Camp, Youth Camp, Youth Camp.
Oh, nice pipes, Nate Diggity.
Nice rhymes, Broseph.
Thank you.
No, thank you, cause you were awesome.
No, thank you, Tika Brohi.
No, you were awesome, so you get all the credit for that song.
I don't want credit.
Well, okay, I'll take it.
I don't want credit.
I'll take it.
You can have it.
Okay.
Actually, can I have some of the credit?
You can have a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.